Okay, Nana.
Wave to Graham and Dottie.
Just eating a little bit of dinner. What you got there, baby? Some rolls?
Baby.
Fish sticks?
The baby is playing with a rattle.
And green beans.
Can you say
dog? Dog.
Dogs love to play.
This dog is playing with his toy.
Cat. Cat. This is a cat. Cat says meow.
This is Friday night, October 5th, 2010.
Elephant.
The elephant is swinging her trunk.
Gorilla. Gorilla. The gorilla is looking at you. Tiger. Tiger. The tiger is walking. He is going to take a nap. Dog. Dog.
This little dog is wearing a red bandana around its neck.
Cat.
Cat. The cat is stretching. Baby.
Baby.
This is a baby.
This is a baby.
And this is a baby.
Do you know a baby?
What does this word say?
Yeah.
This word says mouth.
Eat some fish sticks.
Open your mouth really wide.
Eyes. Eyes.
Ashley, close your eyes.
Nose. Nose.
The boy is pointing to his nose. This is the word toes.
Toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 toes.
Eat some of the fish sticks or I'm going to take the bread away.
Oh, it's so warm in here. Is that bad?
Oh, twinkle little star,
Now you gotta eat, baby.
up above
Hey.
like the diamonds.
You just stuffed that whole thing in your mouth.
All right, Chipmunk.
You just gonna come see ya?
Look at her. She just stuffed a whole roll in her mouth.
Guess what she can do, Mom?
What?
Okay, on the... guess what, Mama?
What?
What you doing, Lily? Hey, you.
What you doing? I love you.
Guess what
Hate
she...
me.
Guess what she does now?
What?
Hey, Mama, take that other roll away from her.
Every time she sees one of those flashcards, it says tongue, she sticks her tongue out. And then when it says,
Hey, you're coming home.
Bubby says